Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Alex, and today's video we're going to do a portfolio and market update. If that's something you're into, stick around. All right, so what we're looking at here is the S&P 500, ticker symbol SPY. And yeah, what a day. To start the week, we're down almost 2.5%. I think at the lows we were down like, I think 3%, 3.5% or something like that. So a nice little bounce end of day. Yeah, just we were kind of thinking about this last week that we were following some analogs of a gap down. Most of them, during the bull market, they would go down for like 2 days and then start bouncing, but this is a little bit more severe. So, um, it's just something to keep in mind that this is a little bit weaker of an analog, which means the market could be weaker. One thing I'm watching here is I was looking for this bounce here, but it seems like the moving averages will cross pretty soon, which would confirm a downtrend. Now, for those of you guys who are just new to the channel, this lower moving average is the yearly moving average, or the 252-day moving average. And this one is the quarterly moving average, which is the 63-day moving average. I like to use those averages more than the 200 and the 50. Find they do a little bit better job than the standard 250. So it's looking like they're going to cross, and still looking for a back test of either moving average at some point in time. We know it's going to happen. It's just going to take some time. Okay, so yeah, I mean, maybe the rest of the week we get a bounce. That's what I would be, hoping for. But let's look at the market monitor and see, if it confirms what I believe. So let's check it out. All right, cool. So let's take a look at some of the data here. Yeah, back new lows. Coming back into the market, the range is 4.4, so midday down 2%, with breadth that's supported. We are now 4.5% below the 21-day, so we're just having some momentum to the downside. The follow-through day rally that I was marking certainly failed because we undercut the follow-through day. So I turned the market monitor back to orange, so we could be in for another follow-through day anytime here, but I think it's probably going to take a few days just to prepare itself. What else do we have here? Yeah, lower lows picking up again over 300. Let's see, bearish combo 747, so that's picking up as well. 5% bearish, or 5% stocks that went 5% lower on $100 million volumes at 50. And then the short-term momentum up, which was kind of showing us that we had some momentum to the upside, that is giving a sell signal today, moving back lower. So, and then we also have the short-term momentum down picking up. So no overbought or oversold on this indicator, which is the TD buy and the TD sell. And yeah, anxiety index is approaching 30K. So everything is looking, confirming what we're seeing in the market, which is it's in a downtrend. So yeah, let's go back to the market here, and yeah, here we go. Yeah, so everything kind of confirming we're not oversold, not over. We're kind of correcting some of the overbought, momentum that was going to the upside. So we could really go any direction now. Because we started the day lower and we closed, off those lows, I'm thinking that we could actually move to the upside here. But we'll just have to wait and see. Yeah, the portfolio is actually holding up pretty decently. Let me see here. Let's see. So today it was only down 1.8%. Yeah, and so we're still outperforming the QQQ. Still doing okay. Still down on the year, but so is the Qs. So, we're outperforming. So that's what we're looking for. And yeah, we're going to figure out what happens the rest of the week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll look to see you guys on the next video. Cheers. Oh, and if you guys have anything to comment or like and subscribe, that would be great. Thank you so much. Take care.